It's slowly getting there. Most of it's coming up. On the driver's side, I meant to do over there, I need to still. Ooh, a penny. Most of the cleanup's been done. Now we'll do a quick scrubbing, one more wet vacuuming, some powder, a dry vacuum, and we'll call it as good as I'm going to get it. It's a 98 truck, so it's as good as it's going to get. Alright, put some Vans in here. We'll let it dry. Don't get me wrong, it definitely ain't perfect. You can see it's still pretty brown here. We'll let it dry, give it a good dry vacuuming. Mostly everything came up under here. A little discoloration here. I'll let it dry. If it's really, really bad, I might touch it up. Little spot spray, wet spray here and there. Other than that, I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna powder it real good. And then I'm gonna suck the hell out of it. You know, give it a really good vacuuming. So there's our progress. The clean, dirty work truck. Let's clean this area. Just in time for the main light to die. It's getting there, you know. Still got some stains. This is no scrubbing though. This is just the saturation suction. Battery just died there. We're getting there. The plan is to have the driver's side and the console finished, and next time remove the passenger seat, do that side and the rear as well. It'd make more sense to do the rear now. I have better access with the console out, but time constraints, I'll probably end up driving this before I do that side. We'll see. You know how life is. Alright, we're going to give the center a scrubbing. Let it dry. Give it a dry vacuuming after a powdering. You know, for that smell. Smell it. Get in there, camera. Smell it. Well, not yet. It just smells like dirty carpet right now. Anyways, we're going to clean. Why don't you come along? You know, I think we're getting there. I'm looking for perfection where I don't want perfection. And having said that, I need to be realistic. This is a 98 that I'm not replacing the carpet with, that I'm not cleaning with overly professional equipment. Wish this was a little less brown looking, but in all honesty, I'm going to put floor mats down anyways, which it did come with. Goodyear mats, and they don't look bad, they're just dirty, so those will come down or go back in, and that'll help cover that dirtiness up. Other than that, I think it's coming out pretty well. Like I said, it's got one more vacuuming. I might spot touch some areas, like I don't know what that is, that's kind of in there, some spottiness here, that's from drinks. Might even put something there for when drinks spill. Most of that rust is gone. Some stuff to deal with under there. But yeah, it's coming clean. I don't think I ever showed. I did mostly this half of the dash. Surprised the dash isn't cracked. But, I mean, dashes are mostly dusty. Not a whole lot of cleaning. And as you saw in that last video, this came out pretty well. I'm going to hit the fabric a little bit. Even though it's pretty clean, you know, I'll just make it worse somehow. There's a lot of tape on the side. I assume these were taped in at one point. Looks like there's even a screw here. I mean, there's a crack here. I need to take this off. Rebuild whatever, reinforce, rebuild, whatever needs to go behind there. Get rid of all this tape and do it correctly. That's off subject though. I tried to clean this, the track these since I drilled them out. Probably just going to use some nice industrial Velcro and just stick that right back on there. Got the fan here going. It's drying it up. It's going pretty well. Obviously still pretty wet there. Give these dangalangs a nice little cleaning. I might go over this one more time. It's just bothering me. Shouldn't, but it is. Maybe over here a little bit. Oh, timer. So there's progress. Thanks for sticking around this long and checking it out. Hope you're enjoying. That's right. We're putting more dirt down. Dirt. Just that smell good powder stuff. I don't really know if this helps at all. Probably gonna end up leaving some behind, thus making it dirtier. Let that settle in. Some various scrubby tools. Probably won't even use them, but here they are so you can see them. Alright, well that's as good as it's going to get. Yeah, still, I say dirty, like, it's not filthy. Still all feels like carpet. It's not all sticky or stiff. Ugh. Anyways, there's my too much time spent into cleaning this carpet results. I'm going to clean up the back chair, which is already full of my crap. At least on this side, bolt this back in and take it for a little drive.